Alright, you guys, what is going on? It is 11 in the morning. I got up early, but anyways, I try to keep the humidity at a solid 70/65%. Those areas, I just fed her, but I just got my tank 2 weeks ago. It is a maximum reptile enclosure. Very easy to put together. Comes with about 26, 36 screws, somewhere between there. I don't know where that came from, but anyways, the sliding doors I decided to get were acrylic because I don't trust tempered glass. I have the towel here for the humidity. The screen cap isn't the same as the one that you see here. It's a little different, but that's okay. It doesn't really matter. This is the extra stuff that you get with it. You get a surge protector, you get substrate, you get sphagnum moss. Now, sphagnum moss, I read, helps with humidity. Anyways, you get feeding tongs, a thermogun, a temp/humidity gauge, daytime, nighttime, heat lamps, UV light. Now, I spent $900 on it. This is the actual price, but you're going to be spending $175 on shipping. Actually, let me actually see. So shipping actually came out to $151.46 for shipping. So my total was $941.41. It is a complete kit. I decided to get this February 14th at 1:13 a.m. The only reason why I did that is because I know she's going to get up to 5 to 6 feet in length, and I didn't want her staying in that smaller 3-foot enclosure when she grows. So I'm glad I got this 5 months later, but what can you do? So check them out, customreptilehabitats.com. They have a bunch of other stuff that I will show you. So for the online store, you get all of this stuff. So I just chose ball pythons. You can get bearded dragons, chameleons, corn snakes, so on and so forth. They make up to 8-foot enclosures. Never seen an 8-foot enclosure though. Holy shit, that is what an 8-foot enclosure is. Holy shit. Alrighty. So yeah, check out Custom Reptile Habitats. Link will be in the description. Peace out.